Most people own an Apple product, but not many are protected with the robust defenses of a VPN. Luckily, NordVPN has the solution. Here's how you can quickly and easily install NordVPN on all Mac OS computers. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for any future NordVPN Mac OS updates or handy cybersecurity tips. Without further delay, let's jump into it. Here's how you install NordVPN on Mac OS devices. Firstly, you need to download the NordVPN app from Apple's App Store. The download shouldn't take too long. Once it's finished, find the file in Launchpad and open it up. Now, you're going to need to sign up to NordVPN. When you sign up to NordVPN, you'll have to pick a specific plan that works for you. Do you feel comfortable letting a few dollars trickle out of your account every month? Or would you rather buy a year or two in bulk, triggering big potential savings? Once you've found the right plan, it's time for the next step. You're logged in, signed up, and ready to go. Now that you can see the NordVPN server map, you can just press the Quick Connect button and immediately be connected to the closest NordVPN server that will provide the most efficient and quickest service. And it's that easy. Remember, the Quick Connect button is just for those looking for convenience. If you're looking to access region-locked content or a specific country's internet, all you need to do is pick a NordVPN server in the country of choice. Is your macOS computer still not connecting to a NordVPN server? Try some of these tips and see if we can get you on the right track again. Try different connection methods and protocols. Delve into the settings menu to swap between different connection and security protocols to see if your macOS computer is more receptive to NordVPN's protection. Reconfiguring the tunneling protocol may also help with the connection issues. Make sure your software is completely up to date. NordVPN aims to provide the best protection for online activity. However, some things may still fall through the cracks. By making sure the NordVPN apps stay updated, all potential security risks can be patched and fixed. Change your DNS server. Your internet service provider's DNS server can sometimes interfere with a VPN connection. DNS servers have a higher chance of breach, but handily, NordVPN offers DNS leak protection, letting you browse online in peace without your ISP looking over your shoulder. If none of these methods have changed anything, contact NordVPN support. Our expert specialists are ready to help whenever you need it. And there we have it, how to set up NordVPN on Mac OS computers. How else would you secure your Mac OS computers? Tell us in the comments below. If you want the best online security tips, subscribe to NordVPN's YouTube channel. Did you know that some apps will trick you into agreeing to hand over your data? To find out more, check out one of our other videos.